Here are 3 keys to pre-diabetic eating. Step 1. Choose whole foods over processed snacks. Step 2. Balance every meal with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Step 3. Watch portion sizes and avoid hidden sugars. Start your day with a low glycemic breakfast. Try steel-cut oats topped with berries and chia seeds, a veggie omelet with spinach, or Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of nuts. These keep you fuller, longer without the sugar spike. For lunch, fill half your plate with non-starchy veggies like broccoli, peppers, and leafy greens. Add a lean protein, grilled chicken, salmon, or lentils, and add a small portion of whole grains like quinoa or brown rice. Dinner should be light but satisfying. Think baked fish with roasted vegetables and a side of sweet potato, or a hearty vegetable stir fry with tofu. Snack smart between meals. Try a small handful of almonds, hummus with veggie sticks, or apple slices with natural peanut butter. Buy seasonal produce, shop local markets, and don't overlook frozen vegetables. They're just as nutritious and often cheaper. Remember, small, consistent changes add up. Start with one healthy swap this week, and you're already on your way to better health. Always consult your doctor for advice tailored to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.